Washing machine will take it.
Let's start. So here I am first of all showing you the file from where we have to download the data. So that file is already shared with you, but just to show you that how to do it, let us check. So where is the data file? I think my mouse is creating problem. Okay, yeah. So it is in our Google Drive shared folder. Once you will open the shared folder, you will get it. Where is that shared folder? Yeah, here it is. Let me check. Once again, just wait. Now, in that folder, when you open the material folder, in that material folder, Ritesh Patel sir whole folder you need to copy, or maybe you need to click.
Sir, you are not audible. Hello, sir.
Am I audible now?
Am I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This was going okay in the beginning. Again, what started? I don't know. But I'm audible clearly. If required,
Yes,
sir, right
little
now.
loud.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, okay.
So Ritesh Patel sir folder, click and then on the three dots you click, then you download. Okay, it will take some time to download. Once you will download my whole folder on the desktop, the way I have put the important folder for the workshops. Say for example, FDP folder is there on my desktop. In that folder, I can see the list of all the speakers and the material available under the folder. So keep checking whether our recording is in progress, whether my voice is coming or not. Nidhi and Kavita is highly appreciated. They will also get appreciation certificate for that. So now just see.
Sir, I'm not co-host today. Please make it so that we can go smoothly.
Yeah.
Nidhi also.
Today I thought that no external speaker is there, so I forgot. Let me make it. Yeah, Nidhi is now a co-host, and Kavita is now a co-host. Okay, now that is done. Now, the way I have made the list, you can also make the list of all the speakers and folder for practicing. Keep watching the video in one screen. If required, play the video on the computer screen and practice on the laptop. I generally do in that way so that you can see the video and you can practice simultaneously. If you have that system in your office, you can get one extra desktop or maybe at your home. So I'm opening my folder Ritesh material. In that folder, there is folder called data file, Amos CFA folder, extra readings, then Lawan folder. That I think we have done through Lawan. Previously, we have done CFA and SEM on day one using R Studio. We use the package called Lawan in the R. But for doing PLS, Lawan is not used. Somebody who has developed the package to access the PLS, that is called SEMinR. The package का नाम ही ऐसा है. It's SEMinR. So that package is available for you. In that package folder, if you read, there is an e-book where you can understand. It's a very big book. You will not be able to understand easily. It will take a lot of time to read through it. but Kannan sir would be agree with me. One of the best author in structure equation modeling, SEMinR Ray, Joseph Hare, Hult, Ringel, Starstead, and Nicholas Dank.
Yes, sir. They are
Kannan
the,
sir, they are
they
all
are the
master. They are all master of
No, no.
PLS.
they are the best.
They are the gurus, or you can say they are the authority in the PLS.
Yes,
So
yes.
The
in this,
recording is going on. Recording start.
I'm not sure. Can you check? Let me
I'm
check.
not able to see it.
Let me check because sometimes.
चालू ही है recording चालू ही है sir.
Okay, sir.
ठीक
Okay,
है,
okay.
ठीक है.
So now see Christian Ringel, Marco Starstead from Germany, Joseph Hare, Hult, then our one of the Indian professor in international universities renowned for PLS, SEMinR Ray. These are all authority in that, and this is the book. So this ebook is available with you, and whatever they have done in their book, we are going to do the same with the same data, with the same no kind of steps that they have given in the book. So it's not a big deal. Anybody can do it. Remember, on the first day I told you that our aim is to travel from Mumbai to Delhi. Kanan sir is coming from affluent class. He might afford to use airline. I am coming from middle class. I would try to use 3-tier AC ticket. Maybe somebody is coming from lower class of the society. He would use third class passenger train. But the goal is use different vehicle, but you have to reach there. So far in past 6 days, we have tried a lot. And I think this is one of our unique advantage. Kanan sir, please correct me if I am going wrong, but I can bet that none of the faculty development program around whole India includes so many different softwares for structure equation modeling in the same workshop. Either they will do on MOS or they will do on Smart PLS. Maximum they will club 2 like MOS or Smart PLS, or there would be a unique on RStudio. Of course, we know that there are some limitations also by clubbing this many softwares. That is the reason we have called it introduction to structure equation modeling using this software. We are not going in deep. We are just making you introduced to this different software, and then you go into deep whatever software you like. So today, if Kavita or Nidhi ma'am feels that we don't have access to Smart PLS, we even don't have budget to go for that 1,000, 2,000 rupees of a Danco. 30,000 rupees of Smart PLS is not affordable to us, or our institute is not allowing to purchase it. Okay, try to make your institute purchase a Danco, which will come in 1,500 student version. If that is also not allowed, then you can use RStudio. So here is the book. You can practice on your own. It's a 200-page book by the authorities in the field. So you can practice, you can read. Okay, research paper will also help you, but in research paper, you will not get step-by-step guidance on how to develop that. Here you can see the book has photographs of command also. File, new project, then RStudio, start new session. They have given step-by-step. Even scripts they have given. Begin learning with R, how to find help in RStudio. These are the commands. Okay. Is my screen visible to you? The ebook which I have just
Yes, sir.
opened?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Data input, how to input data in R. There is a command called read.csv. CSV is nothing, it's just an Excel file. But in that Excel file, there is a simple format which is called comma separated value. So if you write Ritesh Patel, 26 years age, male, professor, then in different Excel column, it will be written in name column Ritesh, age column 26, in gender column male, but Excel will divide it into comma. So Ritesh Patel, comma, 26, comma, that way. So it's a comma separated value, a file format, which is highly used. Excel will not be directly, no, we will not be able to load Excel directly into R, because the Excel format is sometimes used in different version. So we have to convert that Excel file, save as, open Excel file, save as CSV. But in CSV, you cannot have a merge cells. You have to have a row and column data. So you have to save the file as CSV. Then SEMinR. What is SEMinR? That is a package name, SEMinR, where you can do PLS. SEMinR is a package developed in R that is user friendly. Okay, creating and establishing structure equation models. SEMinR is an open source, so free. Anybody can use it without any issue. अपने कॉलर ऊंचे करके यूज कर सकते हैं कि हमने कोई कॉपीराइट सॉफ्टवेयर यूज नहीं किया, हमने किसी से कोई सॉफ्टवेयर का वो नहीं लिया, हमने ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर यूज किया. हाँ, थोड़ा 4 कमांड लिखना पड़ेगा आपको, थोड़ा लिखना पड़ेगा. So it's open source that comes under GNU GPL General Public Version. SEM has some syntax, so you can first install packages SEMinR and then you can run this syntax. So step-by-step model can be developed. I think sir has developed yesterday some model similar like this. Kannan sir, if I am not wrong, you have used the same model.
Yes, yes, same model.
Na?
Same
You have
model.
used the same model in
Yes,
Smart
sir.
PLS. So the same model, same data file of Kannan sir, you can practice on R Studio also to develop the similar model in PLS package. But we will not be able to do it. It will require more programming. Today we are going to show you only how to load our package, SEMinR package, and develop a basic structure equation model without even mediation or moderation. Later on, mediation and moderation in PLS package in R can be learned through this book step by step. That is why we told you that we are going to call it introductory workshop. So we are proud of it that I have seen a lot of workshops in IIM, IITs, even international workshop by Marco Starstead I have attended. By Ringel also I have attended so many workshops. But I can see that they guys are coming. I'm sorry to say this in recording, maybe in YouTube also they will be listening to it. But they are coming to sell their software. They are not coming to teach you. They want you to make use Smart PLS because they are getting a lot of royalty from this software. So they themselves have developed R Studio also, where it is free. So you can use that also. Okay. So you have to practice. And this is only the one of the workshop that in one workshop, we have covered almost all essentials. The list is not complete yet, but almost all essential softwares to cover structure equation modeling and varieties of structure equation modeling. So the same model which we covered yesterday on PLS is now available. Here is the construct, their coding. Now, how to load that, how to transform that data, everything is given step by step. Specifying the structural model, you have to create one variable. Variable का नाम दिया simple SM, means simple structural model. Relationships means you have to give the relationships in the structural model. Into bracket paths from com like to CUSA customer loyalty, comma paths from CUSA to customer loyalty. You can see that model का जो path है, that you have to write in this programming language. You will not have liberty to draw it. You have to write it. But this R is very useful if your model is very complex. If there are more than 20, 25 different variables, और सर ने भी बताया कि complex model use करने के लिए ही PLS use होता है. So just try to understand that if I have 25 construct and there are 4 moderators, 2 mediators, then it will be very difficult to draw that model and to understand that model. So it is very easy to type that and then you run it. Of course, it will require practice. It is something like vehicle. One day you will learn car. One day you will learn how to drive a tractor. One day you will learn how to drive a flight also, if you practice. So don't worry. There are some step-by-step guidance given. Okay. So now we will not focus on this much because you can do that at your ease. And again, what is good fit, what is not good fit, how to write the command. These are simple questions that can be answered easily by reading this literature. There are different functions also. Each and every function is explained that what do you mean by construct function? What do you mean by path function? If you want to see the path weights, then there is a function called path weighting or path factorial. So what is that? Missing values. If you want to replace the missing value, you can use the function mean underscore replacement. Okay. So that way you can write this code. But now we will now start the vehicle and we will take you directly on the floor. I hope the recording is going on. So first, you have to install the R latest version from our website. I have given you the link. The current version of R is R 4.2.2. Now, once you load the R in your computer, you have to install the R Studio. So once the R is loaded, R Studio is a graphic version of R where you will get certain graphical advantages. In R, there is one more package called R, some package name is there, to which you can do like SPSS, all commands will come for all the statistical test. And then you can do that through that software. Creta is, I think, the name of the package. Please check it. So R Creta, if you download and you install the package, there will be a menu like SPSS for all the tests, ANOVA, regression, chi-square. So it will become SPSS if you load just that package. Okay, now here is the console. Here is the command prompt. So whatever we will type here, the variable names will come here. So first of all, let me create a new file, new file, R script. This is our yesterday's file. Now I'm opening my command file. I told you that you have to download my package, my folder, Ritesh Patel material. In that material, there is script, different folders. Lavan we covered last time. Now we are covering SEMinR. Here is the data file. You can see it's Microsoft Excel, separated value. So CSV file, cross-cultural data. Then ebook. Then SEM script in R. So SEMinR जो package है, उसका scripts पूरा यहाँ पे है. And I have used this from this website. That source I have also given. You can go to that website if you want to read the article in detail. Here I have I have brought for you only the crux. So if you want to go into detail this article, this data file, you can open this. So there are 4 steps if you want to do structure equation modeling in SEMinR. The same way what we did yesterday in PLS. Load and clean the data. Specify the measurement model. You have to specify the structural model. Specify measurement model, and then you have to specify the structural model. Establish estimating, bootstrapping, and summarize the results. So here are the steps. Step-by-step guides are given. First, try to understand the model, because in R, when we will run, we will not be able to understand the model. So our model is vision and development and rewards. These are 3 independent variables that leads to collaborative culture. If you want to develop a collaborative culture in the department, in the organization, what are the independent variables? So collaborative culture is the dependent variable, or you can say endogenous variable. What are the exogenous variable? The exogenous or independent variable are vision, development, and reward. So once you have read this model, you will be able to do these steps. All the steps are given step by step. Here, you will do this and we will end the model. Okay. So let us start with step by step. First, SEM PLS in R Studio, example step by step. So in my Word file, the file named SEMinR_script. You have to come to the page number 3, or you can say the title SEMinR Studio example step by step. So our first goal is to install the relevant library in R that we are aiming to do today. So let us open the R Studio and install that package. So in the console, we will type this SEM library SEMinR. It will not come because we have not loaded the SEMinR. Okay, so we have to load first of all library install.packages. Install.packages into bracket SEMinR. Once we will install the packages, we will be able to call the library. It might take some time due to network. There is one alternate way also in R. Here, click on the right side packages, then click install. Here you type SEMinR. The package will come where you want to install. So by default directory, I have not created a directory the way Kannan sir has created in PLS. Here also you can click install. So this is on another way. If you don't want to type the command, you here see the list of variables available in your model. These are all variables that we have used in the past data that is still available. And here is the install files, plots, packages. Okay. Now, let us see. Can we call the library? Library SEMinR. Okay, done. Now, we will go very step by step. Don't worry. Following brief review has to be done if you want to do SEMinR. First, you have to call library. You have to load the data through read.csv. You have to check the data through head. You have to specify the measurement model through construct. I think something is disturbing in between. Let me check. My mouse is not working. Maybe cell. Its cell is gone. Maybe I will use the normal mouse if required. Give me a moment.